In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to get tags for your YouTube videos. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what each section means, and how to turn real search data into high-quality tags that help your videos get discovered. First, open Google Trends. On the home page, click Explore. This takes you to the main dashboard where we'll research the terms your audience is actually typing into YouTube. At the top, click Add a search term and type travel vlog as our example keyword. Next, set the right filters. Choose the country that best matches your audience or leave it on worldwide if you're targeting a global viewership. Pick a time range. Past 12 months is a great default for stable, season-proof tags, while past 30 days is helpful for very fresh topics. Then change the search type from web search to YouTube search so you're analyzing behavior inside YouTube, not across the general web. Now look at interest over time. This line graph shows relative search interest on a scale from 0 to 100. Peaks indicate moments when the topic surged. Dips show slower periods. Consistent mid to high interest suggests a reliable evergreen topic. Sharp spikes might point to seasonal or event-driven interest. Use this context to decide whether your video is a steady performer or something that needs timely tags. Scroll down to the regional map and related sections. The map highlights where interest is strongest. If you see clear hotspots, you can tailor your tags with location-aware phrasing that still fits your content, especially helpful for travel topics. Below that, you'll find related topics and, most importantly for tags, related queries. Focus on the two tabs, top and rising. Top queries are the most common searches connected to your term. These are excellent base tags, broad, stable phrases that match your video's core idea. Rising queries show what's gaining momentum right now. If you see breakout, that means massive growth. Include it if it's genuinely relevant, because timely tags can capture current demand. Turn these queries into your tag list by mirroring the exact phrasing people search for, mixing a few broad terms with specific long-tail variations that match your video. Keep everything tightly aligned with your title, description, and actual content to avoid confusion and maintain watch time. Revisit trends periodically. Adjust the date range to spot shifts, and refresh rising-based tags to stay current. That's it. Use Explore, read the graph, and mine top and rising queries to build targeted, data-backed YouTube tags.